Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up voice control on your macOS device. So it should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and left click on the System Preferences button down in the dock. So go ahead and left click on that. Select the Accessibility tile. And then you want to go on the left side and underneath Hearing and Motor, go ahead and select Voice Control. So voice control allows you to edit text and interact with your computer by speaking to it. Go ahead and just check mark where it says Enable Voice Control. Have to enter in your computer password at this point. Then select Unlock. And then you have the ability that it should be able to pick up your microphone here and actually go ahead and start giving it commands. So pretty straightforward process there, guys. It would basically just let you, once your microphone's hooked up, it'll go ahead and actually let you go do commands on what you want to open, if you want to do different text or speech to text. That's basically what this would be about. So again, very straightforward, guys. You can also go ahead and enable show hints. Select your microphone here too as well. And if you want to select commands, you can go ahead and select that in here, and that will basically give you the different command functions that will let you tell what to do. So if there's specific things you want to add, you can see it says bold add, undo that, redo that. So it's pretty intelligent, and it will come up with most of your common commands there. So you can go through this list. You can add a command if you want by selecting the little plus button here. So when I say this, while you're using a certain application, you can tell what you want it to do. So again, pretty straightforward. Going to require a little bit of customization on your part if you want to kind of do a little bit more than just default stuff in here. But again, very simple user interface to work with. So like I said, pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.